Hi guys, welcome to a new video from Tech Hives. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate about new string features that is introduced in Java 11. So let's have a look. I have a project. I'm going to create a new package inside this project, new package, and let us name it as string. Now inside this package, I'm going to create a new class. So let us name it as string features. String features and publish static void main. First we look into isBlank method. For this I'm declaring two strings, string str1 equal to one empty string, and next string str2 equal to hello. IsBlank is a boolean method, and as the name indicates, this method returns a boolean value true if a string is empty, otherwise it returns a false value. So let us check it. System.out.println str1 dot is blank method. Then next we'll check with the other string str2 dot is blank. Now let us run the code. We got the result as true and false. String str is a blank string, so in this case we'll get a true value, and the next case will be a false because it has a content of hello. Before doing the next, I'll tell you how to configure Java 11 in IntelliJ. So for that I have already downloaded JDK 11, and we have to go to the file, project structure, then in the SDK. So first you have to add this one, because if you are downloaded then you will be getting add JDK, then you will get this option, these two options in this list. Then you have to add JDK 11 and click on open. Next you have to go to your project, then just change this version to 11 and click OK or apply. And those who want to know the detailed explanation of the installation process, please comment in the comment box. Next we look into lines method. So this method is used to return a collection of strings which are divided by line terminators. So I'm declaring a string str3 equal to, giving a string as hello, new line character, how, new line character, r, new line character, then you, how are you. System.out.println str3 dot lines of dot collect of, then collectors dot to list of. Now a list will contain 1, 2, 3 and 4 values. So here the line which is used to return a collection of strings which are divided by the line terminators. So this /n is a new character which will act as line terminator. So let us run the code. So this is the list we got. Hello, how are you? Now we'll look into repeat method, repeat of n, and we'll see this with an example. String str4 equal to hi, and printing this str4 dot a repeat of this count of 5. The result of the repeat method is a concatenated string of original string repeated the number of times in the argument. That means I have a string which is hi, and this hi is concatenated by 5 times, and we'll see the result. So here we got the result, hi concatenated with 5 times. And the next is strip leading method. This method is used to remove the white space which is in the front portion of the string. So I'll declare a string str5 and I just give hi, str5 dot strip leading. You can see I have a space in front of the string, and by using strip leading method this empty space is removed. We'll run the code. Yes, that empty space is removed. And the next we'll look into strip trailing. Strip trailing. As the name suggests, this will remove the trailing empty spaces. That means the empty spaces at the end of the string. And string str6 equal to this. I'm giving hi and a space at the end. str6 dot strip trailing, and the strip trailing is used to remove the white space which is at the back portion of the string, and after executing this the end space is removed. Yes. And now we'll move to strip method. So the strip method is combination of strip leading and strip trailing, which means that it is used to remove white space which are in the front and back side of the string. String, let us declare another string str7 equal to hi with space in the front and also a space in the end portion of the string. And str7 dot strip off. Then this will remove the blank spaces from starting and end of the string. I will run. Now, yes, here it is. With this method, we came to an end of this session. So I hope you all understood this topic. We will meet you in the next video. See you guys. Bye.